Impel Plus Backplane connectors by Molex. These innovative connector products achieve data rates of up to 56 gigabits per second while delivering superior signal integrity through the shielded mating interface, wafer, and press-fit tails. Ideal for the telecommunications networking markets, data centers, and medical markets. Adding to the proven Impel brand, Molex adds a new 3-pair daughter card connector, 2 new 4-pair connectors, both in 3mm pitch and 1.9mm pitch options, a new 6-pair 1.9mm pitch daughter card, 3-pair right-angle male, and 3-pair orthogonal direct connectors. Backward and forward compatibility with existing Impel family connectors allows for a simple upgrade when your system needs to go beyond 40 gigabits per second. A cost-effective solution for scaling equipment while minimizing infrastructure investments. More information at molex.com.